Hi sir, good day. Sir Newbie Rides, how are you? Thank you for coming our BMW Motor Ace showroom, sir. So good day. Thank you for coming, Newbie Rides. I'm Daniel Albesa, your sales executive here at BMW Motor Ace, Daang Hari, Cavite. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me here at 0939-642-8817. Alright mga kanubi, introduce ko sa inyo yung 100 years edition of BMW R90. It's an heritage bike for BMW with a 1200 boxer engine. As you can see, it's a limited edition. The inspiration of this started since 1923. That's why it's a 100 years edition. So see, you can have the option 719 package na po. So the aesthetics for this 719 accessories. So for the price, 1.795. Next one, mga ka-newbie, I would like to introduce to you our adventure bike, the 2024 BMW R1300 GS. So it comes with a light white color. So this is a very class color po. Then for this, you have the new matrix headlight po. Then for the windshield, electronically na po siyang nag-adjust. Then for the seat height, adaptive na siya po. Which if you mount, automatically maglo-lower, and if you run the bike, automatically, aangat din po siya. So, for the price of light white, 1.675. And also po, meron din tayo dito na triple black. So, it's pang binatang kulay. So, pogi, daling bagayan sa ride. So, same features, functions. Ang price po nito is 1.695. And lastly, we also have the BMW Option 719 1300 GS. It comes with the colorway of Aurelius Green. So as you can see, sobrang sexy ng kulay, sobrang elegante. And it comes with the package of Option 719. As you can see here, naka-Option 719 siya. Then for the price of BMW R1300 GS Option 719, 1.855. Then yun mga ka-newbie, if you wanna do, medyo gusto mong bumakbak, kung kaya ng dibdib mo, we also have the BMW S1000 XR Inline 4. Sobrang pogi din ito. Then ang price po for the 1000 XR po, 1.575. Then yun mga ka-newbie, I also want to share with you our pogi bike, the BMW S1000 RR. So, naka-M package colorway. So, kung gusto nyong rumatrat sa racetrack, so perfect to. We offer it at the price of 2.295. Then yun mga ka-newbie, kung gusto nyo magsimula or mag-start for a big bike, for a 900cc inline 2, we also offer the BMW F900R. As you can see po, 5'4" lang ako. So I'll show you. Abot pa. Kaya pa ng 5'4". Then the price, 795. Our ultimate machine, the BMW R1250 GSA Adventure. Comes with a 30 liters tank, may cruise control, quick shifter, you have riding modes, ABS Pro and traction control. So, andito na lahat. I-ride mo na lang. Then, for the price, 1.755. I would like to introduce to you yung bagong new member of our BMW, the F800 GS. the F900 GS, and then lastly the F900 GSA. And to start, the F800 GS. So, bago na to sir. You have the cruise control, the 4 riding modes, may quick shifter na rin, and for mounting of BMW Navigator, boss. Then for this, you have a 760mm. I'm just a 5'4". Abot, sarap. Sobrang relax. Then for the price of F800 GS, 995. Kung gusto nyo mag-offroad, perfect ang new F900 GS. So, sobrang sexy, sobrang compact ng bike. Yan. Same with the new features, may quick shifter, you have a cruise control, 4D modes, may ABS and traction control. So again, I'm just a 5'4". Hindi ko na to abot. I'll show you na lang din. So, hindi na abot. Pero kaya pa. So for the price for the F900 GS, 1.135. Then lastly, our BMW F900 GSA. Sobrang ganda. So again, may quick shifter na rin to. May, again, cruise control and the riding modes. Then to share with you, ganito siya sumigaw. Thank you for watching. Subscribe nyo si Boss Kent and follow nyo lang siya and share. Subscribe. Alright, ride safe!